welcome back to this channel. This first item I got from the Goodwill. Actually, everything's from the Goodwill, and this is not sponsored. I'm not encouraging you to go anywhere. I'm just telling you that's where I go shopping. So this is a Victoria's Secret flannel PJ set, 2 pieces. This was actually brand new for $9.99, and I had a almost identical PJ set from Victoria's Secret. I think I paid $40 for it back in the day. And this has little glitter in it. And I also got a pair of pink slippers, but I've worn them, so I don't think you want to see worn slippers. Or maybe you do. Next thing, this was on the hanger, and it didn't really look like much. This Goodwill, you can try on the clothes before you buy them. Once you buy them, they're yours though. They're non-returnable, non-refundable. So I try on everything, and I remember back in the day, like when I used to go to Goodwill, I didn't want to try on anything. So I was like, oh no, like, but now I just try it on. I think you have to get over that hump, you know? You have to get over that hump of like, oh, these are like used clothes. But once you get over it and you get into it, then you will really enjoy it, just like I really enjoy thrifting. So this was $14.99. This was a new Goodwill that I went to, but normally at the other Goodwills I go to, this would be $12.99. I still think that's a pretty good deal for a dress. So let me put that on. And you can see how glittery and gold and pretty it looks in person. What I really like about it is it fits me, because y'all know I have gained like 15 pounds. One more time for the dress. And you might be asking yourself, where is she gonna wear that? I don't know, I think I could wear it to anywhere. Next thing that I picked up was this sweater from RSQ in a medium, and it's a cropped sweater, and it's really soft material. This was $9.99. So I just have this paired with a pair of pink pants. They're like paperboy pants, and what I like about this sweater is it's really soft, and you can kind of tell when you look at a tag like whether or not it's been worn or it's brand new. Like you can see this tag, it doesn't have a lot of wornness to it. Usually there'll be like a little bit of pilling. So I basically go by if it looks like it's never been worn or it's in really good condition, like no stains, pilling, holes. This one to me looked like it was brand new, and I didn't see any like pilling on it. It's also extremely soft, and I mostly go towards colors that are like complementary to me, so this pink is really complementary. I thought I could wear this to like maybe doing comedy or, you know, doing stand-up, like from the back, from the front to the back. So this next one is a dress, and it's from the brand Windsor, which I'm not familiar with, but I did know that this was, it looked good on the hanger. Like it also had a matching identical one in red right next to it, and I tried on the red one, but the red one was too small, and weirdly this was a small as well, but it was a different fabric. The red was like more of a satin, and I could tell just from the shape that it was gonna look really good on me. And again, I'm looking for clothes that fit me in the 150s, which is, I'm in the 150s. So I was looking for clothes that would fit me. So I'll put this one on next. Fits really well. It does have a little bit of stretch to it, but I like that it's longer so I could wear it with sneakers. But also, I just really like this shape for me. I have a very similar dress that I wore in the going to Las Vegas, but that one's tighter on me now, so this was like a good replacement. I really like the color green as well. Versatile, plus we're going into like the holidays and stuff. I love this straight across neck on me too. The little skinny straps. Very 90s. This one was $17.99. Next thing that I wanted to show you was I have never really had much luck with jackets because most of the time they don't have a lot of smalls. It's mostly like mediums or larges. And a lot of times the jackets will just be like really outdated. Like, you know, when you go to those Goodwills and it literally looks like a 60-year-old, 70-year-old, 80-year-old woman's church clothes that got dropped off. Like, that's normally what I see in jackets. But today at this like newer Goodwill, they had this faux leather Topshop jacket, which I used to have a faux leather Topshop jacket, but unfortunately it just got worn. The collar like completely wore away and I could no longer wear it. You guys, that other faux leather jacket that I got from Topshop was like $50. This one was $19.99. $19.99, and you can tell from the tag it's basically brand new. And when I put this on, it brought me back to myself again. This just reminds me of like the old days. I love that it's a little cropped. I love all the little details. Pretty sure I saw this jacket in person in the store and wanted to buy it. And it's almost like, do you guys believe in manifesting or whatever, where you like really want something and it just comes to you? This jacket, I was not looking for a jacket, but next to the sequin dresses, it was just sitting there on its own, basically saying, I'm here for you, pick me up. It brought itself to me and I love it so much. I love a faux jean jacket. I just love that so much. So I'm super excited about this find. So the other thing, blast from the past, amazing, that I found there was this cargo jacket. Do you guys remember the cargo jackets were so in around the Twilight era? Bella Swan in the movie, she has a gray one, gray cargo jacket. This one is really nice quality and it still had the tags on. Brand I've never heard of, something called Alpha Industries American Classic. This is, it's an extra small, but it fits more like a small on me. And I kind of want to change my outfit and do like some sort of like retro look when I put this on. But just to show you, it was almost brand new. Like, I imagine this was in somebody's closet, and or maybe also because it's California, it could be like film sets purchase a bunch of costumes for actors and then they liquidate their costume rooms. So this also could have been a costume bought for an actor. Again, this was $19.99, so I'm gonna put that on. This top was also thrifted. I believe this was $5.99. And I thought it would just look cute with like a pair of workout clothes. I don't know. I was gonna put on a pair of black jeans and a V-neck, but I couldn't find one, so. This is the cargo jacket. Edward. I'm a vampire. Fits me really well though. There we go, it's 2013 again. I don't know, a part of me was like, don't get it, don't get it, don't get it. But then the other part of me was like, if I don't get it, someone else will. And I don't want to miss out on this new cargo jacket. Because I have one already, this one, but it's seen better days. It's not on its last leg, but it's on like 3 legs. And I really like it, especially for, so this is just like an upgraded version of it. Anyway, let's move on. So I also found this glittery bustier. It looks like it's got gems all over it. And this had a tag that said extra large, so I was thinking that it wouldn't fit me, but I was like, oh, I could always tailor it. And it comes with tags, so it's brand new. The tag says Charmaine on it. And I was looking for like something to wear just that's like glittery and pretty to wear with like jeans or something. Because in my head, I'll never go out, but if I did want to go out, I'd want to have, I'm a curator of outfits. And if I ever left my house, I need something to wear. So this I thought would look really cute. So I'm gonna put this on. I was watching Selling Sunset and this is what Chriselle was wearing and I was like, score! I have a really cute outfit that matches the Selling Sunset, but I think I only paid $9.99 for this top. Probably like $5 for the bottoms. Luxury on a dime. Am I right? Yes. On to the next one. Whoever donates them puts a line through the tag. So whenever I'm like shopping and I see a line through the tag, I know that means it's usually a brand new item and it's been donated probably by the company, right? Or again, from a film set. But this was just a mistake that I purchased. I really like the colors on it, but on me, I think maybe it just looks a little too maternity or something, and still comfortable. That's like I said, once you take it home, it's yours. So, not my favorite. Oh, this one is just a little bit more me. I like the drop skirt. I like that it's pink. I like that it's shorter. And I like that it has these arm things, like these arm camouflage. I call these arm camouflage because they camouflage my arms. And I've been wearing this quite a bit. I like that I can put sneakers on, and if I go tanning, which I have been tanning, so easy to change in and out of. So some hits, some misses, mostly hits though, right? Oh, let me show you something. So I haven't had a lot of luck finding brand new shoes or accessories. Most of the time it's shoes, but they're kind of worn a little. I mean, they're still good, but I have so many shoes. Like I mostly look for stuff that's gonna like blow me away. So they had these there, and these were brand new. These are size 7.5, and I think they're originally from Amazon because they had so many of these like types of these with like crystals on them. So I did find these shoes. I haven't found any other shoes. I was kind of looking for heels, sparkly heels, because you know heels are super expensive, and I really want a pair of like platform heels. So I'm still looking for those. It's kind of one of those things where it's like you'll be shopping for something, like I'll be shopping for platform heels and I'll see these, but it's like you kind of have to grab them when you see them because they won't be there the next time you come, because that's just how it is. A lot of people shop there, a lot of people, and someone else will get it, so you kind of got to snatch it up even if you're not looking for it. And then same thing with like accessories. I haven't really found any bags. I found a few bags. My bad. I actually found two. I found this bag, which was Aldo. Yeah, Aldo. And again, it looks brand new. But I don't have like a going out bag, so this was really cute, and I thought it would match that top that I already have. And then the other bag that I found there was this, and I believe it's a Target. Oh, no, this is H&M. So again, H&M, and it looked brand new. So this was the two bags that I found, not at the same time. I go like once a week. But I found these at different times. And again, it's kind of like you just gotta get it when you see it. My advice with thrift store shopping is if you see it and you like it, try it on and then get it. Because like these bags each, I think were like $8.99. And at $8.99, someone else is going to pick it up. Someone else is going to buy it if you don't. Because I have left things behind at the store and been like, I'm not, like, there was a pair of wide leg jeans that I tried on and I was like, they're kind of big. Like, I don't really want to buy jeans that are too big for me. Then a week later, I was like, man, I really wish I had a pair of big jeans. So I went back looking for them and they were gone. So yeah, if you go shopping, you make sure that you get it, because if you don't get it, it'll be gone. And that's my advice for thrift store shopping. Also, if you're military, you get a 10% off discount. So I like that too. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to see more try-on hauls, more thrift store hauls, maybe a shop with me thrift store, then comment that down below so I know, and like this video. Thank you so much for being here, and I appreciate you so much. I will see you again in my next video. Bye!